Deep in South America lies a living world so vast it breathes for the entire planet. Every minute, the Amazon exhales oxygen for millions. It's home to over 3 million species, from tiny insects to towering trees older than history itself. Here, life never stops moving. Jaguars stalk through the shadows, macaws paint the sky with color, and dolphins swim through flooded forests. Where the Andes Mountains meet the jungle, rivers crash into waterfalls that feed an ocean of green. But this world is shrinking, vanishing faster than ever before. With every tree that falls, a voice of the earth is silenced. The Amazon is alive. Let's protect it before the silence wins. Subscribe for more stories from our incredible planet.